Security measures beef up in the valley as Manipur gears up for the 69th Republic Day celebration. Cookie Chip Association Technopole District demands inclusion of development programs for Technopole District in 2018-19 budget. Street vendors ask the stand of the government on construction of market shade on the roadside of Kuman Lampa. AAP MLAs moved Delhi High Court against Election Commission's recommendation to disqualify him. GST tax rates slash on 29 goods and 53 services comes as good news for consumers. And Kenya to lock horns with USA in the finals of the third Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Security measures have beefed up on the National Highway number 102 and Imphal-Moret Road ahead of the 69th Republic Day celebration. Sensitization drive was carried out from MU to Lilong Bridge this morning to avoid any untoward incident by a joint team of Singzamay Police led by Officer in Charge and Ingocha and 6 Assam Rifles posted on Manipur University campus led by the company commander Major Sorab. The sensitization program under the supervision of the SP Imphal West will continue regularly until the Republic Day celebration is concluded. Thobal Commando also conducted cordon and search operations ahead of the Republic Day celebration in different areas of Thobal district. A team of Thobal Commando and women police personnel conducted the operation at Pichi in Thobal district around 5:30 this morning. The team led by DSP Commando Thobal A.K. Sadananda under the supervision of the SP K. Megachandra along with Thobal SDPO and OC conducted the operation. Many persons were identified during the operation. Cordon and search operation ahead of the Republic Day celebration continued in Imphal city. 1 hour search operation under the supervision of the SP Imphal West was held and checked around 60 households at the school police land from 6 to 7 this morning. No arrest was made during the combing operation. A team of Imphal West Commando also conducted cordon and search operation in Tangal Market since 4 this afternoon. 8 persons without proper identification proofs were arrested during the operation. Cordon and search operation ahead of the Republic Day was also held in Imphal East today. Door-to-door search operation was conducted at Mantipukri Masjid Road, Muslim Colony since 5:30 early this morning. Around 440 people were identified in the operation conducted under the supervision of DSP Operation Imphal East, Saklemba and DSP CAR Roni. 6 house owners were arrested for not being able to maintain identification of their renters. 7 persons without proper identification proof were also arrested. Cookie Chip Association Technopole District KCATD has demanded inclusion of welfare programs for Technopole District in the proposed 2018-19 budget of the state government today. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of KCATD LS Yang Waiti stated that the state government overlooks Technopole as a district. He alleged the district serves as an epicenter on the Indo-Myanmar border. However, the government has not yet set up a separate district rural development agency for the district properly. He said Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister T.H. Biswajit had given assurance to set up various departments and DRDA for Technopole district separate for Chandel district, but no process is seen till date. KCATD also demanded to repair roads in and around Mori Town and Technopole Sangsak Road. They also demanded the government to declare Technopole district headquarters and its surrounding areas organic farming and rearing of Mithun cow in the said areas, and also creation of Aimold, Molnoy and Sita Sub-Deputy Collector Circle. They warned of staging democratic protest if the government ignores their demands.
Technopole district haibase border Indo-Myanmar ga nangnei aduga yam important ni ada center nasu egg is police plan jam lei aduga atei district leirasu anowa district haina district ni haina government na neglect to yade masidi egg is police ga dawa urisu develop oi ga dawa urisu masidi aikoina government da request to ba aduga appeal to base thuna DLDA oyo implement
Street vendors stays a sit-in protest demanding to know a final decision on as to whether the market shade on the roadside from ISBT to Kumal Lampak will be constructed as assured to them. Ima Pantobi Street Vendor Union Kumat Lampak organized a sit-in meet in front of the ISBT today. The protesters complained that police has imposed a ban on selling their items on the street as part of security measures ahead of the upcoming Republic Day celebration. The frustrated vendors over the harassment by the police said they do not even litter the area. They lamented that despite the assurance given to them by both the previous and the present BJP-led government of constructing a market shade, and even with officials sent in by the present BJP government to inspect the area, no market shade is constructed till now.
Sabiro habase area pa from mama lautok piro government na hajaba natana upai karisu lejade akoi ki tungda lariba ISBT gi gas gi wang ma da phami basing koi chorok se yam pai masida da taina ba akoi gi stadium gi taina koi amujau thong na kaur thong asi gi mathak da jang na pi yoliba traffic jam jo riba jaga si di nong mak thugai dina khokai dina Sido hai ba pham se tham de ba aduna san mirai gi thabak su tawa male aduna somna karamba mino leibo si stipend da samana bane na khali aduna ma government na masi simasu bisar tawiu.
Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren and Rajya Sabha MP and President of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Babananda met Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh at New Delhi yesterday. Biren and Babananda categorically asked the Union Minister not to overstep the state government while reaching a conclusion to the framework agreement between the centre and the Indonesian IM. The duo also requested the Union Minister to direct the UP government to hand over the case of Pravesh Janam's date to CBI at the earliest during the meeting. They discussed about sanctioning of additional IRB battalions for Manipur, helicopter scheme vacating Old Koirengay airfield currently occupied by Territorial Army, and introduction of a new surrenderies rehabilitation policy. The Chief Minister also separately met BJP National President Amit Shah and discussed about the various ongoing development projects in the state. He also met the BJP National Secretary and Northeast in charge Ram Madhav and discussed about various issues and developmental works being taken up in Manipur. Chief Minister requested the three leaders to visit the state for the first anniversary celebration of BJP-led state government on March 15, 2018. Democratic Student Alliance of Manipur Desamt in a press release stated that arrangement in the state for school teachers training under newest India government is in well disarray. It said there are existing controversies over the acceptance of Class 10 and 12 certificate issued by NOS. Desam condemned the state government and SCERT for their arrangement to conduct school teachers training under NOS amidst such controversies. After the sentence hearing by the fast-track court for life imprisonment to 3 convicts for a murder committed 28 years ago, there is yet another appeal for justice in a similar crime committed around 20 years ago surfacing in the state. Arangbom Iboyaima, mother of late Arangbom Iboyaima, who was brutally killed in a violent incident that occurred around 20 years ago, has appealed for justice today. The incident occurred within the premises of Nityananda Prabhu on Dreams Road on March 16, 1997, when Arangbom Iboyaima was killed in a clash of Arangbom clan. On the fateful day, Arangbom Herongo and his sons allegedly assaulted Arangbom Iboyaima, son of Arangbom Thambalcha, using deadly weapons, due to which Arangbom Iboyaima finally succumbed to his injuries at Dreams Hospital the same day. The 3 accused, namely Arangbom Herongo, Arangbom Ibobishak, and Arangbom Dinamani, also allegedly fled along with their families after the incident the same day. Addressing media person at Manipur Press Club today, mother of Iboyaima called for justice for her dead son. She stated that on March 18, 1997, a meeting of Nityananda Prabhu Savite Committee was convened where is Arangbom Herongo, his siblings and their descendants were permanently expelled and excommunicated from the colony, and they were also banned from performing any religious rituals. Iboyaima added that the JSC formed in connection with the incident also resolved not to accommodate the extradite family. She also stated that the committee convened yet another meeting on December 31st last year and resolved to stand firm with their previous decisions. Iboyaima expressed discontentment that the extradite family submitted a written request to Singjubung Youth Organization to come back in the colony even before any punishment is given to the culprits. She added that as part of the request submitted to Singjubung Club, a public meeting was held on January 13 this year. Arangbom Iboyaima showed disappointment that she was not given any chance to raise her concern at the meeting. She asserted that she would not be able to live together with those involved in the killing of her son in the same plot like Ingkol.
Macha masuri in China, ni hat loan in China, Isana, Tabak Chacharua, Lakpada, Chachakuna, Chani, Iruzania, Lapada, Moimiam, Lumde, and Natana, Namaku to Gabi. I've seen. Moi you sang a dear critical man can't legani. Hana give people don't tell me half of the key rubber. I don't know. Labor is choosing that much the labor and murder.
Referring to the central government's move to scrap off the house subsidy, Popular Front of the India Central Secretariat in a press release asked the government to lift religious functions to believers. They said there is no explanation as to why a sudden end only to house subsidy, while there are many other religious events like Kumbh Melas, Amarnath Kailas, Manasa are still being funded. The Popular Front termed the decision as discriminatory and divisive. Villagers at Purum Tampak, Faihu village in Chandal district commemorated the first settlement in the village today. Hiangklam MLA and Chairman of Maniko and Manitron, Dr. Radheshyam, inaugurated the third celebrations by hosting flag. The MLA spoke on the characteristics of the Kuki tribe and recalled the struggle faced by the community for their livelihood. Cultural dance and song performances were the highlight of the celebration. It may be mentioned that Purum Tampak village was first inhabited in 1709. Member of the Autonomous District Council Chandal, T.H. Hobson Chote, Kakching and Waikong, Jila Parishad members and Chief of Purum Tampak, T.H. Bichong Chote, and the villagers attended the celebration. The Cultural Forum Manipur condoled the sudden demise of the life member of the forum, Dr. Sorokhaiban Chauba from Sangolban Moirang Klerang Machine, who also served as the president of the forum for the term 2011-13 at the condolence meeting at the forum's office on BT Road today. A woman named Mona Lisa Chakraborty, 29 years, wife of Chandan Chakraborty and daughter-in-law of late Nipendra Chakraborty, is missing since 10 a.m. yesterday. She is about 5 feet and 2 inches tall, has fair complexion, medium straight hair, round face, and is of medium build. She was last seen wearing a red color salwar kurta, white leggings, and a pair of white chappals. Anyone knowing her whereabouts is requested to inform the office in charge, City Police Station in Phal West District. National Student Unions of India in a press release strongly condemned the acts of racial discrimination meted out to Northeast participants at the National Youth Festival held under the aegis of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport at Gautam Buddha University in Noida from January 12 to 16. NSUI demanded resignation of the Youth Affairs Sport Minister from the ministry. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on AAP MLAs move Delhi High Court against Election Commission's recommendation to disqualify them. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The AAP MLAs today moved the Delhi High Court against the Election Commission's recommendation to the President to disqualify 20 of them for allegedly holding office of profit. The plea by 7 MLAs was mentioned before a bench headed by Acting Chief Justice Geeta Mittal for urgent hearing, which was listed for today itself. The petition before the Election Commission was filed by one Prasant Patil against 21 MLAs who were appointed as parliamentary secretaries by the AAP government in Delhi. Subsequently, the proceeding was dropped against Jarnail Singh after they resigned as the Rajouri Garden MLA to contest the Punjab Assembly polls. Earlier in the day, the Election Commission had recommended to the President the disqualification of 20 AAP MLAs for allegedly holding offices of profit. In its opinion, sent to President Ramnath Kovind, the Election Commission said, by being parliamentary secretaries, they held office of profit and were liable to be disqualified as MLAs of the Delhi Assembly. The 14th Kachai Lemon Festival kick off amidst poor road connectivity and apprehension due to reduction in the yield of the indigenous lemon of Kachai village of the Ukhrul district. Impact News reporter Katri Mayum Premchand and camera person Imron Inaud brings you an inclusive report.
Villagers of Kachai are involved in cultivation of Kachai lemon, an indigenous variety of lemon, unique for its taste for the past many years. Kachai village, inhabited by around 300 households, is located in the interior of Ukhrul district, around 60 km from Ukhrul headquarters. The village is a fertile land for growing the Kachai lemon. The villagers whose main source of income is lemon harvesting are left in apprehensions to the decreasing amount of lemon production over the recent past.
Ekwai jambra che hanedi yam palam banya ba hujukti pandre mashi green no mashi shu ekwai masu khangning ba mashi export gi asum tawraka phagni haibsi shu ekwai pame
hanna buthokpadi oidagi yami hojikdi yam hanthare aduga kumsi si nong juman bagi henna hanthai.
The district level Kachai Lemon Festival was held for the first time in the year 2005 with an aim to promote Kachai lemon to enhance the economy and livelihood of the villagers. However, the frequent decrease in the yield, change in the taste and size of the Kachai lemon has left the villagers in apprehensions.
Dinwena pambi amada tra gumba panlamado hojiktim turuk taret si yam wanada lowe.
Tinyaba donashu hanthabanigo pambia do loina sigraba.
With supports from different government departments, the 14th district level Kachai Lemon Festival 2018 kick off on January 18, graced by Minister Horticulture and Soil Conservation Tanozum Samkumar as a chief guest. The Kachai lemon has been deteriorating gradually over the years in terms of its yield, size and taste. Scientists of ICAR and KVK Ukhrul, Solai Luram, share his opinion on the matter with Impact News during a brief meet.
Mamam festival dadi mahai si quality si yam pharame average 70% 80% si ko ekoina mark pi pase handak si 60 yobo ngamdre ba first ta ba si 59.5 asingak ꯐꯪꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯗꯥꯏꯃꯤꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ TSS ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ total soluble solids si masi content masi quality parameters ama oina wangrage henna phagadoribni aduna masi kyamuk wangbra hebse si yengi ahum subada even juice content hojik lairiba plantation sida ekhoine rejuvenation package asi tawhanba ani subna new plantation masi tawba yabni.
One of the major inconveniences facing the Kachai villages is the condition of bad roads. The road leading to Ukhrul town, especially 10 kilometers before reaching Kachai village, is in such a pathetic condition, causing grievous inconveniences and apprehensions for the accidents to the villagers. Only 5 taxi services in a day at 180 rupees fare is not satisfactory for the villagers.
Lambi sidi yam thiye aduga government gi kaino mateng si kaya phangde akhairom dadi
Ukhrul gi na gajai lagbase lambi gi condition je yam phatabni na akhoi chathok chashan dobdi yam boy aduga akhoi gi man gari gumba puthok pushin do su yam boy.
The villagers have felt that the 14th Kachai Lemon Festival would alleviate some of their perpetual problems. They have great faith in Minister Thonojam Sam Kumar's assurances that lemon production would be enhanced by taking necessary measures by the officials of the department concerned, including him.
Permasika thengnaba problem mayam lerungan masidi government sa khangidaba je koina mafam lab kanda lambi ke problem there's no facilities of this one movement facility also comes facility like there if I over kanda I request the honorable minister to function it immediately department se expert officers se field thagane ai jumoy rona lakani field within this month or consult the market se the government is not agree to consult the concerned department, then I will help them for villages for permit. A material family. Tapos yung bengi loan pa magadi. Ay nag-ready daw imadudi within 10 days na ay loan bihin ganyan.
The production rate of Kachai lemon from the past 2-3 years are decreasing, and the reason may be due to the change of climatic conditions or due to the lack of proper cultivations by the farmer as per the climatic conditions. And also the road condition from Ukhrul to Kachai village are very poor. So it is high time for the concerned authority to look after the issue as soon as possible. With camera person Iram Mosa, this is Ketumium Premchan from Ukhrul.
The GST Council in its 25th meeting decided to cut tax rate on another 29 items and 53 categories of services on Thursday, while also simplifying the return filing process. Things which will be cheaper now include second-hand medium and large cars and SUVs, which have been slashed from 28% to 18%, and other old and used motor vehicles to 12%. Tax on diamonds and precious stones were slashed to 0.25% from current 3%. Tax rate of biodiesel was slashed to 12% from 18%. Tax for public transport buses run on environment-friendly biofuels has been reduced to 18% from 28% previously, etc. The services which GST rate have been lowered include tailoring service, entry services to theme parks, water parks, joyrides, merry-go-rounds, go-karting, job work services for manufacturing of leather goods and footwear, works contract services, etc. The GST Council has also given tax exception to services provided by and to FIFA and its subsidiaries related to any of the events under FIFA Under-20 World Cup to be hosted by India. Briefing media after the Council meeting in New Delhi yesterday, Finance Ministry Arun Jaitley said the Fitment Committee has recommended to the GST Council about this. He said it was also discussed to simplify the filing returns process by merging all 3 types of GST returns into a single return. The new rates will be effective from January 25. The 3-day Rising Festival held at Ningtam Ingkol in Tekchom Maningching concluded today. The festival was organized by Rural Auxiliary for People's Action, RAPA, in association with the Director of the Ayush under the sponsorship of Mission Integrated for Development of Horticulture, MIDH, and Horticulture and Soil Conservation. MLA of Wangkhem Constituency, Kaisham Megachandra, MLA of Khangabo Constituency, Okram Surja Kumar, MLA of Tuangkai Constituency, Okram Henry, and many people attended the closing day of the festival. Indigenous medicinal plants like kanghu, yai amuba, yai angoba, ha, kuchapi, tekau yaiku, uri moinambi, pulai mambi, yaingang, sing, tambo, mangra, pan and kokra were showcased at the festival. Speaking at the event, MLA or Sujar Kumar stated that consideration for setting up a botanical park to protect and preserve the invaluable medicinal plants in the state will be put forth in the assembly. Winners of the various events held for students at the festival were also felicitated on the closing day today.
The natural herbs, the natural rhizome products, yamna popular or repataragadi, still Liberiba, farmers sing hype tare, Kunda Liberiba, Chinkong, the Tabiriba, sing the Tabiriba, Singizil now sing oro, Aduga Chinkong, the Tabiriba, Manipur gilam, Chinkong, the sing the Mangibalam Mayam, sing Sigumba product Mayam, Siputok Pataraga, Masigi market labor targadi, Aquida Amuki and a socket Panganeva.
Acting on a tip of the team of the NAB police station arrested a man with 2,000 WY tablets estimated to be worth around 80,000 rupees in the market from the Moirang Lamkai area. The arrested person is identified as Haitang Baite, 53 years, son of Let Solong Baite from Laisangbong village in Chorchambu district. PRO Manipur Police Department in a press release said a case has been registered against the arrested for further investigation at NAB police station. A cleanliness drive was conducted at Indo-Myanmar border, no man's land from Mori Gate number 2 to Tamil Mandir border pillar 78 at Mori this morning. Representatives of Technopol District Police, 11th Assam Rifles, DC Tamu and 89th Infantry Regiment Technopol District Administration, Autonomous District Council, along with members from different communities in Mori conducted the cleanliness drive. The cleanliness drive was led by SP Technopol, Dr. S. Ibomcha from Manipur side and led by DC Tamu from Myanmar side. JCB, tractor, excavator and dipper were used during the cleaning that took place from 7 to 10 this morning.
Ado moigi da isu moigi apamba sana regularly masi tawsi haibagi apamba phongdore nakoina hek tawsi haiba matamduda khoida pau kubiro aduga join oina tawsi aduga nakoi lanai oina gi tawbo yaroi haidna ina dumaina haijagre moina su du yare anytime moina tawsi join khoigi seida cleanliness drive tawsi haiba matamda moina khoida pau pirakani aduga khoida join oina tawba haidna dumaina yanare.
United Progressive Club to Wangjing in a press release stated that the club found Wangjing High School in a deplorable condition when they inspected the school. Apart from the school having no Saukidar, classroom, toilet and no proper fencing, it was found that 4 out of the total 9 teachers in the school have been transferred in the beginning of this year's session and 1 teacher will be retiring this month. The club warns of intense hesitation if the education minister does not look into the matter at the earliest. MLA of the Wangway constituency, or Lukhoi, has inaugurated the new community hall, Sangland of the Ima Nungtil Lema at Top Sifai in Wangway constituency today. Speaking to media person, MLA Lukhoi asserted that the state government is deliberating on inclusion of repair and reconstruction works of various sacred places in the state in its budget. He maintained that there are many sacred and holy places, especially in Wangway constituency, which are rebuilt and worshipped not only by the people in the state but from outside the state as well. He said Ima Nungtin Lema Sangland was constructed considering the desires of the people in the area. Lukhoi further expressed his desire to reconstruct various other ancient sacred places in the state. Former MLA of the constituency, MLA Kurizam Tlokin, Councillor of Ward number 1 and 2 of Thongkong Lakshmi Municipal Council, and other dignitaries were present at the inaugurant event.
Ariba aru laifam chingchi semnanabagi damaktasu paliba sarkar sigi honorable minister ga tanajarga hantaki ari dasu budget paisa khara hapaga khoi particularly sigi laisang chimagi natabda lairiba Manipur state chigi aru isor gi laifam len chingchi khara pung phana matam siga chunaba yamna matam siga chanaba mawongda semgot saganabagi damaktasu budget paisa khara haptana aigi so ai kendra sigi lairiba laifam chingchi semgot payaba sagat payaba matam siga chanaba mawongda isor gi mafam chingchi semgot nanabagi aigi su propose thamjagi ba laikre khara soidana amukta da one time da natraga su chahi gi oina khara semgot naba madugi ayaba understanding amadi lainajare.
All Manipur VTF Welfare Association in a press release stated that their cease work strike has been called off after members of the association came to an understanding regarding their demands during a meeting with IGP Dr. S. Ibomcha around 12 noon today. The 10-day vocational training held at Thobal Waka, organized by Society for Empathy, Belief and Affection, SEBA, concluded today. A drawing competition was also held at the closing event of the training program. Speaking on the occasion, President of SEBA, Wahengbam Drozit, said pickle production works will be started widely to boost the economy of the women. He said that an open football tournament will also kick off on February 2 to promote sports among the youths. CAF and PD Laborers Welfare Association in a press release stated that executive member of the association for the year 2018-19 have been selected during the 6th annual general conference held on 14 January at Labor Rest House of CAF and PD campus in Sangay Pro. And now in sports. Kenya and USA will lock horns in the final of the 3rd Manipur Statewide Day Women's Polo Tournament. In the league match of the tournament played at Mapal Kangjebung today, Kenya Polo Team dropped India Polo Association 9-3. For the winners, Nikki Barlow scored 5 goals, Tiva Gross scored 3 goals, while Kayla Miller scored 1 goal. The 3 goals of the Indian Polo Association were scored by Monica Saxena. In the last match played today, USA Polo Team beat Australia Polo Team 3-2. For the winners, Olivia Stringer scored 2 goals, while Marisha Wells scored a goal. The 2 goals of Australia Polo Team were scored by Whitney Warrens and Billy Mascott. 6 teams, including 4 teams from outside the state, are taking part in the Women Polo Tournament organized by All Manipur Polo Association under the sponsorship of Department of Tourism. The final match of the tournament will be played on January 21 on the occasion of Manipur Statewide Day, the day Manipur became a full-fledged state in 1972. SRDC Langtabal and AFA Thobal entered semi-final in the 12th Kagemba Football Trophy. The tournament is being organized by Kiamgay Youth Pioneer Club at Kiamgay Haibong Makong. In the first quarterfinal of the tournament played today, SRDC Langtabal beat LLK Karam 4-0. In the second quarterfinal match, AFA Thobal dropped Angel Uripok 5-0. A total of 17 famous football clubs of the state are taking part in the knockout basis tournament. Northeast United will meet Chennai FC in the match of the ongoing 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament today. The match will commence at 8 this evening at Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, Guwahati. In the match played yesterday at Mumbai Football Arena, Bengaluru City beat Mumbai City 3-1. For the winners, Sunil Chetri netted the 2 goals in the 43rd and 52nd minutes of the match, while Miku netted a goal in the 63rd minute of the match. The lone goal of Mumbai City was netted by Leo Costa in the 76th minute of the match. Kanglei Park Student Association KSA in the press release announced that the 7th Kanglei Mega Sport Festival will be held from March 1 to 6 at different venues of the state. KSA said the multidiscipline sport festival is organized to streamline the youth of the state from indulging in bad habits and other illicit intoxicants. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Security measures beef off in the valley as Manipur gears up for 69th Republic Day celebration. Kuki Chief Association Technopole District demands inclusion of development programs for Technopole District in 2018-19 budget. Street vendors asked the stand of the government on construction of market shade on the roadside of Kumalampa. MLAs move Delhi High Court against Election Commission's recommendation to disqualify them. GST tax rates slash on 29 goods and 53 services comes as good news for consumers. And Kenya to lock horns with USA in the finals of the third Manipur State with Day Women's Polo Tournament.